Hey guys, welcome. I'm Adam, the owner and creator of the Light Media Group. Our goal is to help equip local churches to grow and reach their communities through technology. So, welcome video. So we're going to talk about three things: who I am, and what the Light Media Group is about. What we're going to be doing, what kind of content and videos we're going to be covering here on this channel, and then probably the most important one is why. So let's dive right in. So I'm Adam, like I said at the beginning, and I've been about 16 years, actually more than 16 years in IT. I've worked from retail all the way to large enterprise. I've also been involved in ministry as far as I can remember, and I'm also currently a worship director, or worship leader at my local church. And really, this channel is going to be about the collision of those two. Technology with church, and so how we can leverage and use technology to help grow and reach our communities. I'm a Christ follower, I'm a husband, I'm a father of 4, and I'm a geek at heart. So what is the channel about? Church tech. We're going to cover church tech, everything church tech. We're sometimes going to get geeky and sometimes going to get serious as we talk about leadership and processes and how to do things. And of course, we're going to have tech videos, gear review, and how-tos on how to use and set up certain things. So the most important part of this video, why I'm here. Why am I doing this? Colossians 3 says, whatever you do, do it as you are doing it to the Lord and to His glory. And if you have noticed our logo, it says Ephesians 5:8, which on there it says, at one time we were in darkness, but now we're in the light of the Lord. So walk as children of the light, for the fruit of the light is found in all that is good and right and true. So it's really about loving God and loving people and serving your communities. So we're going to set a spark in our churches, and we just pray that they will grow into a flame. So if this is you, if you're interested in this and this would help you, and you're interested in using technology or growing your use in technology in your local church, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so that way you get updates, and be sure to hit the notifications bell as well. And go ahead and do one more thing. So if you're new here, go ahead and comment in the write a comment and say hi in the comment section. I can't wait to meet you. So I'm glad you're here. I'm excited, and I can't wait to meet you. Let's make a spark and light up the darkness. God bless.